Namaskar and a very warm welcome to one and all. A very, very warm welcome to all of you to this lovely Rangmanch Pravesh of Trisha. I didn't hear you all clap. I took her name. We belong to the grand parivar of Nalanda. Nalanda Dance Research Center stands tall today since more than 60-70 years. And it was created by none other than the visionary Padma Bhushan Dr. Srimati Kanakrele. She was the one who had the foresight to realize much in advance that she requires to have culture very deeply ingrained into our society. Indian knowledge system, something that is quite new to Indian education supposedly in today's times, has been the life and breath of Nalanda since so many years. This was the magnanimous Padma Bhushan Dr. Srimati Kanakrele, therefore she received this great award. So in her memory, let's please give a huge round of applause to this stalwart, because of whom we are all here today. It was not just that. She saw to it that just as you have degrees such as BA, BCom, BSc, Masters, PhD, so on and so forth, in varied streams, dance was always taken to as a hobby. And that is where she realized that the power was still not with the professional. That is where she floated various courses from bachelor's all the way up to PhD in dance at the University of Mumbai level. So just as you have BA, BCom, BSc, we have BPA, Bachelor's in Performing Arts, Masters in Performing Arts, all the way up to PhD in dance. So when we stand in front of you, we stand as professionals, not just with the ability to perform, but with the ability to live, breathe as a professional dancer. This was her foresight, but it didn't end just there. She realized that if she has to make a difference, she has to touch the youngest Indians. And who are they? Your very own children. So she realized she had to float classes for young, small children from the age of 6, and then take them, handhold them, and show them the magnanimity of Indian culture. And that is exactly what happens at Nalanda. That is exactly the space from which Trisha has grown from a 6-year-old in front of our eyes to today an 8th grader. This is where the children make a difference, where they learn our Indian culture, they imbibe our values and take it forward to their next generations to come. So this has been the greatness of Nalanda, that is. There is always the concept of someone who creates, but then you need someone who can take that forward. Because we at the end of the day are held in this physical body, which gives way sooner or later. But our soul stays intact. But this soul needs someone adept to carry the next step forward. And the preserver at Nalanda is none other than Guru Dr. Srimati Uma Rele, the principal and the current director of the institute, who is here with us today as the chief guest. It is this smiling face that gives us the energy to keep going. But at the same time, if there is something that we need, we all very conveniently go behind her, and then she does the talking. This is the mother of our institute, Dr. Srimati Uma Rele.
Thank you so much. I'm actually her mother. Thank you so much, Vaidehi. Yes, thank you so much. Good evening, namaskar. It's a great pleasure to have one more Manch Pravesh in Kathak this time. And this is also Trisha, a special child who has dared and enjoy. I'm sure she's going to enjoy performing on the stage because you feel you are the queen of the world. And that is what she's going to enjoy the feeling. I really admire the parents and the grandparents and the upbringing of the child, where there is always some kind of pride given to the child in the form of learning of any art form or anything which is very, very special, because art cultivates you. It makes you more cultured. Earlier, art was taken as Shilpa. In our Shastras, it has been said that it is a Shilpa because it sculpts you as a good human being and also as a good cultured person. No wonder in the national education policy, our Prime Minister and his team has given a lot of importance, as rightly told by Vaidehi, that we need to emphasize on our culture through our arts and lot of things that we have, which we have discovered and which we should with pride take it ahead and part it to our younger kids. Yes, Nalanda is doing a fabulous job. God bless. I am happy that students come at various levels, as Vaidehi said. It is a great pleasure. I myself came as a youngster after doing my BA with Economics and Political Science. And I realized I don't want to do what everybody does. And that's how I landed in Nalanda. That was on 17th of May, 1984, I entered Nalanda. Until today, I am there, happily there. So it is always a pleasure to, हम बहुत सारी फिल्में देखते हैं ना, 3 Idiots, ये वो क्या क्या है, जो अपने passion को follow करो. This is something what we are doing, and we are very happy that we are giving this opportunity for the children also to take up this and hone their skills and also learn a lot about our culture and our heritage. With this, on behalf of Nalanda Dance Research Center, our President Shri Rahul Rele, and the Governing Council of Nalanda, I welcome all of you to enjoy this today's evening of Manch Pravesh. This is a very special day for Trisha, and I'm sure it will be like etched in her memory forever. But today, she's proclaiming in front of all of you that she's a professional dancer who can take up stage, perform solo on the stage. It is not easy, my dears. When you come on the stage, everybody shivers, and it's not a joke. So I'm sure she's going to do wonderfully well. Enjoy, encourage, clap, scream, shout, whatever you want to do, no problem. But see to it that she feels encouraged. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy. Yes, to sing.
I love this audience. I love this audience. So ज़्यादा कहना नहीं पड़ा. Thank you so much. On that very, very positive note, before we actually go on to begin with the Rangmanch Pravesh, we will have the shloka.
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
In the Abhinay Darpanam, we have a shloka that says, Bharata Kula Bhagya Kalike Bhavarasa Nanda Parinata Karye Jagadeka Mohana Kale Jai Jai Rangadi Devate Devi. We bow down to Ranga Devi, the goddess of the stage, and that is from where the name comes, Rangamancha Pravesh. Welcome to Trisha's Rangamancha Pravesh. We are very, very excited. My background, you all are not clapping. I can hear a very good volume from this side. I'm going to look here every time when I want something. And then I realize it is the mom and the dad. Oh, the biggest cheerleaders on earth are sitting there. So I know where I have to see. What is a Rangamanch Pravesh? Many a times people feel it's a misnomer that this is her grand finale performance. Arey bhai, ye to abhi shurwaat hai. This is the first performance. It's the Pravesh, where she is going to come on stage and show you how capable she is and how truly now you can call a professional dancer that she is. It is a tapasya of 7 years that she was a 6-year-old child. Maybe at a time where she would find it a little more grueling and mom would have had to prod her ki nahi baba, go, class javu padse, jauj padse, na ta za class asta zawats lagel, whatever that works. But that has got her through. But you know, I was just discussing with someone in the beginning right now. Everybody does not dare, as ma'am said, to get on the stage. There is a divine connect when a child decides that she wants to do her Arangetram in Bharatanatyam or her Rangamanch Pravesh in Kathak. Everybody does not do this. And why is it so? It is so because it requires tremendous dedication, tremendous discipline, and an excessive amount of support from your entire family for this day to culminate into success. And the most important person when it comes to being able to even set foot on this backstage, forget the stage, is the guru whose hand you're going to hold. And Trisha is extremely honored and Nalanda is extremely proud, honored that we have Dr. Srimati Varada Pandit ma'am, who is on Padhantiya with us, and she's the guru for today's Arangetram, where she's taken this little one ahead. Ma'am has many accolades to her credit. She is one of the most sought after teachers. She has performed worldwide. Even today, she is thoroughly in touch with her own guru and always respects everybody with humility and humbleness. And that is exactly what a teacher should promote into her child. And that we can already see in Trisha. It is indeed a pleasure that we have a stalwart like her taking care of this 13-year-old when she's used to having our master students at her feet, a PhD scholar herself at the University of Mumbai. Thank you so much, ma'am. Nalanda is extremely honored to have you here. And I know that Trisha has got someone who has, with a lot of care and love and complete surrender to her, accepted everything that she wanted to take up and is going to put it forward before you. We now move on to the very first performance of today's evening. It is a shloka and a prayer at the feet of none other than Lord Shri Krishna, whom we call the Natavara, the one who is an adept performer himself. But who is he? If I just tell you a few things, I will paint an image of Shri Krishna in front of your eyes. The blue-bodied Lord, the one with the peacock feather on his crown, the one who has the cow peacefully looking at him with a gaze full of surrender to him, the one who wears the yellow pitambara, the one who has lovely, playful, musical fingers that play the flute. Let's go into this lovely world of Gokul and bow down to this blue-bodied enigma.
Krishna परमात्मने प्रणत क्लेशनाशाय गोविन्दाय नमो नमः गोविन्दाय नमो नमः गोविन्दाय नमो वरनत छवि श्याम सुंदर वरनत छवि श्याम सुंदर ऐसो मोहक रसाल ऐसो मोहक रसाल वरनत छवि श्याम सुंदर वरनत छवि श्याम सुंदर लसत अंग पीत वसन लसत अंग पीत वसन भंक भ्रिकुटी गले में माल भंक भ्रिकुटी गले में माल शीस मुकुट कर बंसी केसर को तिलक भाल वरनत छवि श्याम सुंदर वरनत छवि श्याम सुंदर जय 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 सुरन करी जय 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 सुरन करी जल जमुना उमंग भरी जल जमुना उमंग भरी धन धन ब्रज श्याम कहे दर्शन कर नंदलाल 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 वरनत छवि श्याम सुंदर वरनत छवि श्याम सुंदर वरनत छवि श्याम सुंदर वरनत छवि श्याम सुंदर श्याम सुंदर श्याम
We now move on to something that is very special to Kathak. When generally we get inquiries about whether the child should go for Kathak or Bharatanatyam, the thing that is the most special for parents is that footwork. Oh, that footwork in Kathak. I want my child to, have that scintillating footwork, that lovely thing. Oh, please. And then we take it up as a challenge because that is the footwork that the parents want to see. I'm sure this child has performed in every annual day of Nalanda over 7 years. And the parents must have been as excited as they are today, or maybe slightly a bit more when a 6-year-old is performing on stage. But Today, when she's going to take on the stage and show you the Teen Tal, it's going to be something thoroughly magical because she is going to bring it forth in a way in which professionals perform their Teen Tal. That itself deserves a huge round of applause. Just the attempt to go for it the way professionals do it. And I'll tell you what's the difference. The difference is when a child is performing, when it's an annual day, the teacher is saying the padant, the children are performing. Why do you think there's that mic standing over there? She's going to take on the mic and dance at the same time. I believe that there is a very distinguished audience of medicos here today. And I know that you are the best to gauge how it is when one performs something extremely fast and then one has to go and talk. That's exactly something similar to a stress test that happens at times to certain people, isn't it? But today is not going to be a stress test. It's going to be a test of her devotion and her dedication to this art form. That we not only have a mic for her to speak on, we also have special mics on the stage to hear her footwork. So is it something that we are shying away from? Oh no. We're going to bring Trisha right in front of that mic for you. And you will hear every beat and every step. And every gungru of her 200 gungrus tied at her feet. And she's going to perform her Teen Tal. The Tal is performed in 3 speeds. The Vilambit, that is the slow speed, in which she will begin with the Uthan and the Thaat. Post that, she will perform the Amad, the Rangamanch Pranam and the Paranjudi Amad. The Teen Tal will then move on to the Madhyalaya, that is the medium speed, with the Toda, Paran and Tihai, culminating in Tatkar in Drutalaya. What is Drutalaya? The fast speed. Weaving together this beautiful rhythm in her feet. And all of this is possible because we have a maestro at the tabla, someone who is the most sought after tabla artist, not only in Mumbai, but who tours the entire world. Shri Vivek Mishra ji on tabla, who is himself, as I said, a sought after artist, but again, an extremely humble person, who with a 13-year-old will behave like a 13-year-old, become your friend, and encourage you all throughout. We know this why because we are very proud at Nalanda that he is the Tala professor in the Kathak department and also has been a part of the Nalanda's journey into the entire world of Kathak since its initiation. A big round of applause for the maestro on the tabla, who will also explain to you certain things very soon. So let's keep those cell phones that we have somewhere inside, down somewhere. Because in this pitch black darkness, suddenly when your phone lights up, she can see a light on stage, which we don't want her to see. And keep your hands empty because you need to keep clapping in this one all through. Can I hear you? On that note, presenting before you, Teen Tal.
धा त्रक धिन त धिन धिन धा तिट धा त्रक धिन त धिन धिन धा के तिट धा तिन 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 ता तिट ता धिन धिन धा आ.
Now presenting Teen Tal Vilambit Lay, beginning with the Thaat.
ठाट धा धिन धिन धा आ धा धिन धिन धा आ धा तिन तिन ता ता धिन धिन धा तिट धा धिन 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 धा तिट धा धिन धिन धा आ धा तिन तिन ta a thình 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 tất ta त्रक धिन धिन धा तिट धा धिन धिन धा आ धा तिन तिन ता आ तक धीमी धान तक धान धा तिट धा धिन त्रक धिन धिन धा आ धा धिन धिन धा तकिट तकिट तक तकिट तक तकिट तकिट धान तकिट धान धाते धा धिन धिन धा आ धा धिन 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 धा आ तकिट तकिट धा आ तकिट तकिट धा आ तकिट तकिट धान धाते धा धिन धिन आमद धा धिन त्रक धिन धिन धा तिट धा तिन तिन ता आ ता धिन धिन धा ता धिन तत आ थे तत थे 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 तत तत थे 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 तत तत थे 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 तत तत ता धिन 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 धा तिट भाव अमर धिन धिन धा तिट धा तिन तिन ता आ ता धिन धिन धा ता आ थे ई तत आ थे ई तत थे 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 ई तत तत थे 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 ई तत तत थे 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 ई तत तत ता धिन त्रक धिन धिन धा तिट परिणामत त धिन धिन धागे तिट धा तिन 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 ता तिट ता धिन 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 धा आ
धा धिन धिन धा धा धिन धिन धा धा तिन तिन ता ता धिन धिन धा धा तिट धा तिट धा धा तिट किडदा तिट धा तिट धागे दिगे न धुन धुन नग नग तुना किडतक धागे धागे न धिन लडा न धा धिन ता किडतक धैता कता घे घे धा घे घे धा घे घे ता थे आ थे तत थे 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 तत 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 थे 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 तत 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 थे 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 तत 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 तत
धिन त धिन धिन धा तिट धा धिन धिन धा आ धा धिन तिन ता ता धिन 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 धा आ धा तिट धा तिट धा धा तिट किड धा तिट धागे दिगे न धुन धुन नागे नागे धुना किडतक धागे धागे न धिन नणा न धा धिन ता किडतक धैता कत घे घे धागे घे धागे घे ता थे तत थे आ थे तत थे 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 तत ता तत ता तत ता तत ता थे 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 तत ता तत ता तत ता तत ता थे 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 तत ता तत ता तत ता तत ता धिन धिन धा आ धा धिन चक्रदार तोड़ा धा आ धा तिन तिन ता आ ता धिन धिन धा तत तत थे तिग धा तत थे तत तत तिग धा तत तिग धा तिग तिग थे तिग धा तत थे 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 तत तत थे तिग धा तत थे तत तत तिग धा तत तिग धा तिग तिग थे तिग धा तत थे 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 तत तत थे तिग धा तत थे तत तत तिग धा तत तिग धा तिग तिग थे तिग धा तत थे 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 धिन धा तिहाई धिन त धिन धिन धा तिट धा तिन तिन ता ता धिन 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 धा आ ता थे थे ता थे 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 ता थे ता थे थे ता थे 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 ता थे ता थे थे ता थे 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 ता थे ता थे थे ता थे 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 ता थे ता थे थे ता थे 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 ता थे ता थे थे ता थे 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 ता थे ता थे थे ता थे 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 ता थे ता थे थे ता थे 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 ता थे ता थे थे ता थे 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 ता थे धा धिन धिन धा धा धिन सादा परण तिन तिन ता दो आवर्तन और धा धिन धिन धा धा धिन धिन धा धा तिन तिन ता त्रक धिन धिन धा ता थे थे तत् आ थे थे तत् धे धे तिरकट थे हे हे ती तत् हे हे ती तत् हे हे दिन 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 तरान हे हे तत् हे हे तत् हे हे नाना तिरकट गरिगन धा हे हे नाना तिरकट गरिगन धा हे हे नाना तिरकट गरिगन धा दिन दिन धा तिहाई धा तिन तिन ता एक आवर्तन धिन धा ता थे थे तत् आ थे थे तत् तिटिकट गरिगन धा तिटिकट गरिगन धा धा तिटिकट गरिगन धा 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 तथा तिटिकट गरिगन धा तिटिकट गरिगन धा धा तिटिकट गरिगन धा 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 तथा तिटिकट गरिगन धा तिटिकट गरिगन धा धा तिटिकट गरिगन धा 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 तथा धा धा धिन धिन धा धा तिन तिन ता नटवरी टुकड़ा धा धिन धिन धा नटवरी चक्रदार तिन तिन ता त्रक धिन धिन धा
धा धिन धिन धा धा धिन धा
तिन तिन ता त्रक धिन धिन धा
तत् तत् दिग धा दिग 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 धा थै थै अक्रा तत् तत् दिग धा दिग दिग थै थै तत् तत् दिग धा दिग दिग थै दिग धा दिग दिग थै दिग धा दिग दिग थै तत् तत् दिग धा दिग 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 धा दिग दिग थै थै अक्रा तत् तत् दिग धा दिग दिग थै क्रांत तत् तत् दिग धा दिग दिग थै दिग धा दिग दिग थै दिग धा दिग दिग थै तत् तत् दिग धा दिग 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 धा दिग दिग थै थै तत् तत् दिग धा दिग दिग थै थै अक्रा तत् तत् दिग धा दिग दिग थै दिग धा दिग दिग थै दिग धा दिग दिग थै
धा धिन धिन धा धा धिन धिन धा धा तिन तिन ता त्रक धिन धिन धा धिन धिन धा धा धिन धिन धा धा तिन तिन ता त्रक धिन धिन धा ता थे थे तत् आ थे थे तत् 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 तिग धा दिग दिग तिग धा दिग दिग थे या क्रांत तत् तत् तिग धा दिग दिग थे या क्रांत तत् तत् तिग धा दिग दिग थे तिग धा दिग दिग थे तिग धा दिग दिग थे एक दो तत् तत् तिग धा दिग दिग थे या क्रांत तत् तत् तिग धा दिग दिग थे या क्रांत तत् तत् तिग धा दिग दिग थे तिग धा दिग दिग थे तिग धा दिग दिग थे एक दो तत् तत् तिग धा दिग दिग थे या क्रांत तत् तत् तिग धा दिग दिग थे या क्रांत तत् तत् तिग धा दिग दिग थे तिग धा दिग दिग थे तिग धा दिग दिग थे धा धा धिन धिन धा फरमाइशी चक्रदार धिन धिन धा धा धिन धिन धा धा धिन धिन धा तिन तिन ता त्रक धिन धिन धा ता थे थे तत् आ थे थे तत् 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 तिग धा दिग दिग थे तत् 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 तिग धा दिग दिग थे तिग धा दिग दिग थे ता थे तिग धा दिग दिग थे ता थे तिग धा दिग दिग थे ता थे तत् 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 तिग धा दिग दिग थे तत् 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 तिग धा दिग दिग थे तिग धा दिग दिग थे ता थे तिग धा दिग दिग थे ता थे तिग धा दिग दिग थे ता थे तत् 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 तिग धा दिग दिग थे तत् 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 तिग धा दिग दिग थे तिग धा दिग दिग थे ता थे तिग धा दिग दिग थे ता थे तिग धा दिग दिग थे ता थे धा धा धिन धिन धा धा तिन तिन ता त्रक धिन धिन धा ईश्वर जाति परण धा धिन धिन धा धा तिन तिन ता त्रक धिन धिन धा ता थे थे तत् आ थे ई तत् धात्रक धी किट धात्रक धी किट धा के धातिट धात्रक धी किट तिट 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 तात्रक धी किट धिट धा धिट धा 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 धिट 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 धा किट धुम किट धा किट धुम किट धा धा किट धुम किट धा किट धुम किट धा धा किट धुम किट धा किट धुम किट धा धिन धिन धा धा धिन धिन धा त्रक धिन धिन धा धा धिन धिन धा धिन धिन धा तत्कार लड़ी धा धिन धिन धा वन मोर आवर्तन धा धिन धिन धा त्रक धिन धिन धा धा रे थे तत् आ थे थे तत् तकी तकी तक तकी तकी धीन तकिट तकिट तक तकिट तकिट धीन तकिट तकिट तक तकिट तकिट धीन तकिट तक तकिट 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 धीन तकिट तक तकिट 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 धीन तक तकिट 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 धीन तक तकिट 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 धीन तकिट 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 तक तक तकिट तकिट धीन तकिट तकिट धीन तकिट तकिट धीन तकिट धीन तकिट तकिट धीन तकिट तकिट धीन तकिट तकिट धीन तकिट धीन तकिट तकिट धीन तकिट तकिट तक धीन तक धीन तक धीन तक धीन तकिट तकिट 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 धीन तिहाई तकिट तकिट धीन तकिट तकिट धीन धा तकिट तकिट धीन धा 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 तकिट तकिट धीन तकिट तकिट धीन धा तकिट तकिट धीन धा 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 तकिट तकिट धीन तकिट तकिट धीन धा तकिट तकिट धीन धा 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 दिन दिन दा धा दिन दिन दा धा दिन दिन दा तक दिन दिन दा धा दिन दा धा दिन दिन दा धा दिन दिन दा सादा तोड़ा ता थे तत आ थे तत 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 थे तिधा दिधि थे तत तत थे तिधा दिधि थे तत तत थे तिधा दिधि थे ता थे तत थे आ थे तत थे तत थे तत तत ता तत तत ता तत तत ता थे तत थे तत थे तत तत ता तत तत ता तत तत ता थे तत थे तत तत ता तत तत ता तत तत ता धा दिन दिन दा धा दिन दिन दा तक दिन दिन दा धा दिन दिन दा धा दिन दिन दा परण धा दिन दिन धा धा दिन एक और आवर्तन दिन दा तक दिन दिन दा ता थे तत आ थे तत किड़ तक थुन थुन न ती तत ता धा दिन दा किड़ धा दिन दा कति त धा दिन दा कत ती त धा दिन दा किड़ धत धा दिन दा कति त धा थुन त धा कति त धा थुन त धा कति त धा थुन त धा दिन दा धा दिन दिन दा दिन ता तक दिन दिन दा धा दिन दा धा दिन दिन दा चक्कर का तोड़ा धा दिन दिन दा धा दिन दिन दा धा दिन दिन ता तक दिन दिन दा ता थे तत आ थे तत 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 थे तिधा दिधि थे ता थे तत थे आ थे तत थे तत थे तत तत एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः सात आठ नौ
So we really couldn't hear you backstage. We were shouting louder from behind. Come on, audience! So you know क्या होता है ना generally when you see these so-called Kathak dances on popular platforms on our home screens, when there is any footwork that happens, you know what comes on the screen? वो उनके पैरों के आगे फूल होंगे, उनके पैरों के आगे कुछ कवर होगा जिससे उनके पैर दिखते नहीं हैं. तो शायद द्रुतलय चल रहा हो, I can talk to you now in a dance language, that is fast speed चल रहा हो, बट हमें पता नहीं होता है for sure वो पैर कौन से स्पीड पे चल रहा है. बट इधर क्या हम करते हैं, we are like wait, not just the footwork, we'll get you a mic. Why can't everyone hear your feet talk? And this is the power of true learning of Kathak. And this is what real Kathak is all about. I think sometimes the image of Kathak gets hazy due to everything else and all the noise that goes on around. But this is how beautiful the traditional art form is. So let's give a huge round of applause to this child who has taken to learning Kathak in its truest form and is presenting it before you in the same manner. And मज़ा तो उससे भी कहीं ज़्यादा है, वो TV screen से देखने वाले से ज़्यादा. This is the power of our Indian culture and our heritage. And we're so very happy to bring it forth to you with such a beautifully sweet and disciplined child that is Trisha. Now on those same lines, we move on to something again very intricately involved with Kathak as a dance style. And that is the Gatanikas. Now this is the grace. This is the Ada of Kathak, as we call it, that the dancer needs to imbibe and inculcate into her body to be able to present it in its actual format. She will present one Sadhigat, the normal walk, but the other one is going to be decorated with Shringara. The Naika or the heroine dresses herself up with flowers, floral arrangements, and gets herself ready. Many a times we are asked as dancers that when we come on stage, why is it that there is such elaborate makeup, this elaborate costume, flowers, and what is the need? You know what the need is. This art form, any art form for that matter, was a temple art. Just as we offer fruits and flowers at the feet of the Lord, when we perform, for us, this is our offering to the Almighty. So when you're offering something to the Almighty, you have to be decorated just as that beautiful flower to be fit to be at the feet of the Lord. And this is exactly why we dress up, we behave in a particular manner. We require some sort of discipline. Discipline not only on the stage, but even in the wings. Discipline not only on the stage, but even when, before coming on stage, the way you bow down to your elders, you bow down to your gurus, you take their blessings, all of it together prepares us to finally stand before an audience. Yes, in this 21st century, Nalanda has brought, just as all the other dance styles, Kathak to this very proscenium stage. But the divinity and the devotion attached to this art form is not reduced even by 1 inch, so that all of you realize what this devotion is all about, where we are so-called mad people in dance. Following the Gatanikas will be the Kavita. I asked Trisha, what is your favorite performance in the first half? She said, Kavit. I said, Acha, wow. Then I said, why? You know what the Kavit is on? The Kavit is again on none other but then our Natvari Shri Krishna, the Lord who himself has created dance. Lord Nataraja is the Lord of dance, who is our primordial Lord to whom we bow down. But he himself too is an ardent fan of Shri Krishna's dance. This Shri Krishna, who as a child danced on Kalia's hood, the one who gave rise to all these different Thunga verses that we hear in Kathak especially. But this same Shri Krishna who then later danced into all our hearts by reading, by stating the great Bhagavad Gita which we follow till date. This is the magnanimous Lord who dances in all his glory, and we are going to see his chubby in our little Trisha. So let's give a huge round of applause, welcoming her once again on stage.
Siddhigat, dha din din da da 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 din din da din din da thei tat ta thei thei tat a thei thei tat ta thei thei tat a thei thei tat dha na dhek ta dha tu na kat kat tat ta thei thei tat a thei thei tat ta thei tat 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 a thei tat 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 ta thei tat 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 a thei tat 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 ta thei tat a thei tat ta thei tat a thei thei tat ta thei thei tat a thei thei tat ta 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 thei thei tat thei thei tat ta thei thei tat thei ta thei thei tat thei ta thei thei tat thei din din da tra din din da tha din da tha din din da tha din din da phul ki gat din da tha din din da tha din din da tra din din da tha din din da din din da thei tat ta thei thei tat a thei thei tat ta thei thei tat a thei thei tat dha na dhek ta dha tu tat 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 ta thei tat a thei tat ta thei tat a thei thei tat ta thei thei tat a thei thei tat dha na dhek ta dha tu na kat kat tat ta thei tat a thei 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 thei tat ta thei thei tat a thei thei tat ta thei thei tat a thei thei tat ta thei thei tat thei thei tat ta thei tat a 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 thei thei tat ta thei thei tat a thei thei tat ta 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 thei thei tat thei ta thei thei ta thei thei ta thei tha tin tin ta ta din din da tha din din da tha din din da tha din din da ta din din da tha din da tha din din da kavit tha din da tha din din da tha din din da ta din din da ta thei thei tat a thei thei tat dimik dimik dimi damaru baje mridang kehta dhan dhan dhetta chununu chununu hungaru baje kita kida kita kida kina tamanjira jham 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 jhanj bajavat ta par nachat krishna kanaiya ram tat thei ram tat thei ram tat thei tat thei
Now she's loving the stage so much that we are like, "आ जाओ अंदर, हमें आना है बाहर." That is how much she's enjoying the stage, isn't it? And how cute is that? Let's give a huge round of applause to our lovely performer. I love this audience now, yeah. You all are too good, man. Thank you. Because we're enjoying it, and so is she. You can see the smile multiply manifold when you all clap like this for her, even when she's performing. So please, please, please continue to do so. Now, this Krishna, yes, he is this dancer, and he is the one who has given us our life and breath, that is the Bhagavad Gita. But he is known to be a very, very naughty Lord. And why so? Whenever the gopis would go to Yamuna river to fill water, he would always be somewhere in the back and he would be breaking these matkis of the gopis. Now this time, this gopi herself is also done with Krishna doing this to her. So what is she doing in return? She's picking up the pieces of the broken matki and she's throwing it back on this Lord. This is how he at the same time also is an allowance for his devotees to do whatever they feel like doing with him at times, taking a little leverage with him. That is this sweet, sweet little nutcut Lord. This Sri Krishna is then being told by the gopi, "Why did you break my matki?" This is a very popular thumri which is performed by the greats. And today, Trisha will perform the same, asking Sri Krishna, "Oh Lord, why did you break my matki?" But before that, we will hear something on the tabla that we are hearing so beautifully all throughout with regards to how are these different modes taken when the tabla is performing along with a lovely performer. Sir, please, on to you.
Thank you for this opportunity, Nalanda, Vaidehi, and Trisha. I am just saying one composition. In this composition, you can hear the Shankh Nad. Dha din na na din na din na din na dha din na din na din na. This composition is very old, like 400 and 500 years old. Dhenana din nana dikadinna dikadikadikad dhan dikadinagad dikad detkadana detkadagin dikad datinta katrikadana dagdin nagadin dhan dhan dagdin nagadin dhan dhan dagdin nagadin dhan dhan da Chakardar.
Shukriya, Shukriya, thank you so much. It's always a pleasure and we wait as students at Nalanda that kuch hame jhalkiyan prapt ho aisi from our great teachers at Nalanda, where we also can learn something so beautiful. And that is exactly why they are the most sought after artists who are sitting here today. So when we were planning dates, it was most important to get their dates right. But when we talk about dates, someone here on stage who is again an indispensable part of the orchestra is on vocal and harmonium. Pushkaraj ji is one of the most sought after singers. I automatically, with your claps, we realize that when the voice reaches the heart and strikes the chord in the right manner, it is the correct singer for that evening. There are many singers, there are lots of singers and very adept in their art. But it is very different to have a singer who can sing for dance. And he is one of the very few that we have in Mumbai and hence very popular. So when we take dates, these are the people whom we have to see to it that are free. So a huge round of applause for Sri Pushkaraj Bhagwat ji on vocal and harmonium, who's also here with us today. It is indeed an honor to have him, and it is always a pleasure to having associated with him as Nalanda. And on that note, our little Krishna is ready to dance. So again, तालियों की गूंज में let's welcome Trisha.
मोरी गागरिया काहे को ओढ़ी रे शाम, मोरी गागरिया काहे को ओढ़ी रे शाम, मोरी गागरिया काहे को ओढ़ी रे शाम। मैं तो गारी दूंगी ना बोलूंगी ढीठ नगर, मैं तो गारी दूंगी ना बोलूंगी ढीठ नगर। मोरी गागरिया काहे को ओढ़ी रे शाम, मोरी गागरिया काहे को ओढ़ी रे शाम। छेड़ करत एको नहीं मानत, छेड़ करत एको नहीं मानत। जाए कहूँगी बिंदा नंद के द्वारे, जाए कहूँगी बिंदा नंद के द्वारे। मोरी गागरिया काहे को ओढ़ी रे शाम, मोरी गागरिया काहे को ओढ़ी रे शाम, मोरी गागरिया काहे को, मोरी गागरिया काहे को, मोरी गागरिया काहे को ओढ़ी रे शाम।
We have a short interval for 20 minutes, post which we will see you on the other side of the break. Please join us for tea and refreshments on the 4th floor. Thank you.